Welcome to another episode of VehicFix.com. Here we have a 2004 Toyota 4Runner SR5 four-wheel drive with the V6 engine. This gentleman came in with the timing chain knocking noise in the morning every time he started it. Well, when you take apart the right side of the engine, the timing chain tensioner looks like the boot fell off the tensioner that attaches to the rail guide that puts pressure on the timing chain. Unfortunately, it dropped into the engine. When we scoped it, we could not find it. It looks like it is deteriorated. So our mad scientist here took a plastic piece, conformed it to what we need, drilled a hole and put a boot. So this boot fits perfectly over the tensioner, which will push the rail guide for the timing chain so it doesn't have any more knocking noise. This right here is the old tensioner. We have purchased a new one. It's just not in the video at this moment. Any problems or questions, let me know in the feed and I'll get back to you as soon as we can. If this helps anybody else with the same issue, let us know if this resolves it for you. Thank you very much. Thanks for watching. Until next time.